This is a wireless smartphone charger for your car. There are no goofy claws required to keep it in place, there are no magnets needed or metal plates, and it even works with your naked phone, with no case at all. It's like magic. I've always had a mount inside my truck for my smartphone ever since the first smartphone, which for me was the iPhone version 1. I just like to have it right up there on my dash while I'm driving for navigation or skipping through songs. The types that I've tried over the years haven't been ideal. There's been various solutions. The first one that I tried, of course, was the claw, where you kind of slam it in there and then it grabs your phone and you still got to plug it in to charge it, to the magnetic mount that requires a metal plate on the back of your phone or your case, and you still got to plug in to charge it. But ever since Apple introduced wireless Qi charging a few years ago, there's been a whole bunch of other solutions that have come out, including this one that I've been using that requires this case and its own proprietary mag mount. The problem is that it doesn't work with any other mag mounts. So if I have this on my phone and I go into another vehicle that's got a regular magnetic mount, it pretty much just falls right off. So I've been looking for something even better. I was thumbing through Amazon and found this solution. It uses nano suction technology. So I contacted them for a review version, which they sent me this along with this clear case, and I'm glad that they did, and I'll show you why this is beneficial to me coming up in a little bit. But first, let's crack open the box and see what is inside. Got the product manual. Got a dust absorber on this side. On the other side, looks like we've got an extra 3M adhesive tape, as well as what they call a pet sticker. Inside the box is the wireless charger, and it has this protective film on there. So we'll go ahead and peel that off. Got the base, which has the 3M adhesive on there. This screws on to the wireless charger, just like that. And as we dig a little bit further in here, we've got a micro USB cable. All right, so this thing's pretty cool. There's no claw, there's no magnets, there's no steel plates. It just works. Well, there's a catch. It has to be completely smooth. And so if you've got a smooth case or you just want to use your naked phone like this, whether it's plastic or glass like this iPhone 10, it will work just fine. No question whatsoever. However, if you're like me, I've got these 3 cases. None of them work. The one that I was using for my old solution for mag mount won't work. Apple's silicone case will not work. Apple's leather case will not work. But there is a solution that they have provided with all of these, and that is this little pet sticker. I don't know why it's called pet, P-E-T, but you peel that off. It's clear, not yellow. You peel it off and you stick it to the back of your case, and then it will work, but only on that surface. So I'm really thankful that they also included their clear case so that I could use it for testing, because it works like a charm. And the other cool thing about it is you can see the little suction cups on the back. So let's grab a macro lens and see if we can zoom in on that a little bit. Now over time, these little suction cups are going to collect a lot of debris just from the air or the back of your case, and you're going to need to clean it, obviously. So they include 2 of these dust absorbers, which you just peel off like this, and then you stick it on the front of this, and actually that sticks pretty darn good. Wow. All right. The base supports a full 360-degree rotation, and it's very stiff to move. There is no way to lock it, however. Now this supports fast charging for all Qi-enabled smartphones. That includes Apple and Android, using the included micro USB cable, but you will need to get a QC 2.0 or 3.0 adapter. It's available in multiple colors, including Shark Silver, Space Gray, Champagne Gold, Iron Red, and the one that I have, Jet Black. Now I know you're asking me, how strong could this actually hold? It's just a bunch of little tiny suction cups, right? Well, I'll let you decide. It's on there real good. In fact, the only way to get this off is to peel it off. And it doesn't even require that much effort. Well, this is pretty damn cool. Who would have thought? Nano suction cups. 9,000 per square centimeter, I think they said. I can't see. I just see a plastic, like a rubbery surface. I love that you can just put this anywhere and it still works. On the top or the bottom, so you can have it in your car portrait, horizontal, however you want it. Well, I think it's time to put this in my truck, swap out the old one. I'm very excited about this, and using some new cases, even though they have to be smooth, I'm okay with that. It's about 35 bucks. I've got a link in the description if you're interested in checking it out yourself. I'll catch you next week for another one. Thanks for watching.